Your testimony revolves around 2 words.
It happened.
It happened.
The general didn't say that.
Okay.
And even if he had, he never said it on the tape.
Oh, they're a little onion. How do you get to Uganda?
We left straight from the newsroom right before Will just murderized this woman from OWS.
I got a lot of friends who think this is a bad idea.
What's going on?
Late Wednesday night, they found a tweet from a user in the area, Homni8, a fast series of tweets where he describes Genoa. What do we do now?
Something's got to fall into our lap. Something's got to fall out of the sky and right into our lap. A preposterous stroke of luck has to occur.
Neil, I meant to tell you, a guy down at OWS was telling a campfire story about working for an NGO and getting the NGO shut down by the Pakistani government because he wrote a report saying U.S. troops use chemical weapons on civilians. You should talk to him.
Here in the studio today is one of the leaders of Occupy Wall Street, Shelley Wexler. Shelley,
take the
thanks for
bait.
being with us.
It's good to be here, but I am not one of the leaders of OWS. We don't have leaders.
Is that a good idea?
Hey, it didn't go that badly.
Fuck off!
Come on.
What do you say, Slim Jim?
Checking in.
I thought you said the press was checked in.
The press that's on the bus. Boss, the press we're responsible for.
Not the Freedom Riders.
We have a room.
I have 7 rooms.
You're an idiot.
You need to stop being a little bitch.
Yeah.
Shelley, can we just say that we're honestly very sorry that appearing on ACN was an unpleasant
Your
experience?
apology, which was meaningless in the first place, is now just a symbol of the other guy's refusal to
This is getting a
apologize.
little nutty.
Go fuck yourself, Jim. That is the official comment of the Romney campaign. Just tell me what you need to forget I said that.
Just listen to
It's a very important story.
Do you know what the story is?
I don't, but I know it's important
How?
because Neil says it is.
And when you say it's important, what you really mean is that it's more important than OWS.
We apologize for anything we may have said or
don't
done.
apologize.
Many of us do.
Bye. I can't believe what it takes to get you to apologize.
I have absolutely no intention of apologizing, but you should enjoy me while I'm here, because as soon as I leave, so does the attention.
I'm fine.